Morning students. Our today's topic is how to express numbers in a standard form. Means we will learn standard form of exponents. Any number can be expressed as a decimal number between 1 and 10 multiplied by power of 10. So आप किसी भी नंबर को 1 और 10 के in between express कर सकते हो including 1. 1 is included here. Multiply by power of 10. So that number will be said to be in the standard form. I am taking up example like exercise 12.2 first question. We have to express this number in the standard form. Now how will we express it in the standard form? We'll go to the definition again. हमें number को we have to express the number between 1.0 and 10.0 including 1, right? हमें 1.0 और 10.0 के बीच में number को express करना है. So यहाँ पे अगर हम 1.0 और 10.0 के बीच में एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हैं तो हमें ये जो डेसिमल है we have to shift this decimal here. Then it will become 8.37, that is between 1 and 10, right? So this is clear that the number will become 8.37, right? Now multiplied by power of 10. We have to multiply it by the power of 10. Now what will be the power of 10 and what will be the sign of the power? If we are shifting decimal towards the left side, right? If we are shifting decimal towards the right side, if we are shifting it to the right side, then the sign will be of negative. Negative sign will be there, okay? And what will be the power? Power will be, हमें decimal कितना jump करके गए हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 places we have shifted the decimal towards right. So power will be 10 raised to power minus 9. I am going to repeat it again. Our number is 0.00000000837. We have to express this number between 1 and 10, right? So we have to shift the decimal after 8. Only then it will become 8. Otherwise, if you shift it somewhere else, so it will not come between 1 and 10. So we have to shift it here, right? So we have shifted, right? It will become 8.37. Then what will be the power of 10? We have shifted the decimal towards the right side, so power will be negative, and we have shifted the decimal 9 places, so power will be 9. Now coming up to the next question, here decimal is not there, so we can put the decimal at the end. I have put the decimal at the end. Now in order to express it between 1 and 10, I have to shift the decimal here after 3. Only then it will become 3.186. So this is 3.186 and power of 10. Now we have to shift the decimal here. Means we have to shift it to the left side. That means power will be positive. Plus sign, if you will, if you want to put the plus sign, that's okay. If you don't want to put, that is also okay, right? So now we have to shift the decimal how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have shifted it 10 places. So power will become 10. Alright, this is how we can express the number in the standard form. Now next is, number is given in the standard form. We have to express it in the usual form. This is the usual form. Means हमें 10 की powers को remove करना है. Now we will see the power of 10. Power of 10 is minus 6. Minus sign tells us that decimal will shift towards left side. Decimal will shift towards left side, and 10 is telling us that it will shift 6 is telling us that it will shift 6 places towards left hand side. So decimal is here. We have to shift it towards left side 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means we have to put zeros here and decimal will come here, right? Now in the next question, 10 raised to power 12. Positive power shows that decimal will move to the right side. How many places will it move? It will move 12 places. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So after 12th place, decimal will be placed here. And it's okay if you don't put the decimal, because decimal after the number has no value, right? I hope standard and usual form is clear to everyone.